Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Vital Proteins paper container, updated. First, remove any outer wrap and locate the small inner tab near the top seam. Next, use your thumb to push the tab inward while supporting the base with your other hand. Then, fold the tab back along the perforation and pull up gently to lift the lid. Finish by smoothing the rim so the lid sits flush for easy receipt. To keep your protein powder fresh, press the folded tab flat against the rim right after opening so it seals snugly. If the paper tab wears out, use a small binder clip or a piece of tape to hold the lid closed. Always store the container upright in a cool, dry cabinet away from steam and sunlight. These simple steps reduce clumping and keep flavor and texture consistent for every scoop. If the paper tab rips, grab a plastic scoop or thin spatula to ease the lid open along the seam without squashing the carton. For daily users, consider transferring the powder into an airtight canister with a wide mouth to simplify scooping and reduce spills. Be sure to label the new container with the product name and best by date. This keeps your pantry organized and the powder tasting great every time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.